This video is going to show how to model temperature variations over time with breakout models in PSpice. In the real world, circuits rarely operate under the ideal conditions they are simulated with. External factors such as noise and temperature variations can skew component values enough to yield unexpected results. Temperature sweeps can be performed in PSpice to view the effects of temperature on the steady-state behavior of your design, and new in PSpice 23.1 is the ability to model component temperature over time for a realistic time domain simulation. Start by opening the provided design in PSpice Designer. First, we will replace a resistor in the design with a new breakout model. A breakout resistor is essentially a resistor model with full SPICE code integration. Select resistor R1 and press Delete on the keyboard to remove it. Select Place Component from the menu to open the Component Explorer tab. Select the PSpice category. Expand and select Passive Resistor to place a breakout model. Select R-Break at the bottom of the list and right-click and select Place. Click to place the resistor in the schematic, then right-click and select End Mode. Next, we'll configure the breakout model by defining the breakout parameters in the component SPICE code. Parameters such as tolerances, temperature coefficients, and operating temperatures can be assigned to breakout parts. To do this, right-click the breakout resistor and select Edit PSpice Model. If the Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. The model file opens in the PSpice Model Editor. Add the appropriate code to the SPICE model. In this example, we will set the linear temperature coefficient to 0.05 and the quadratic temperature coefficient to 400 micro. The absolute temp is set to a variable called resTemp, which we will define later. Select File, Save from the menu, or click Save in the toolbar. The breakout parameters have been defined for the resistor. Close the PSpice Model Editor. Now let's add a parameter list to our design. This is required to define the resTemp parameter that we included in the breakout model code. Reopen the Component Explorer tab and in the Categories list, navigate to PSpice Simulator Command Setup. Select the param object, then right-click and select Place. Click to place the parameter list in the schematic canvas, then right-click and select End Mode. This object acts as a list to store simulation parameters such as variables. To define the parameters, double-click the list. The Property Editor tab is opened. To create a new property, select New Property. The Add New Property window opens. Enter resTemp for the name and the appropriate expression for the value. In this example, the valued expression increases the resistor temperature by 0.1 degrees Celsius every microsecond. Check Display On/Off to display the value in the schematic canvas and allow us to easily edit this parameter in the future. Click OK. The Display Properties window opens. Under Display Format, select both if value exists and click OK. This will display the name of the parameter and the value if the value is defined. Click Apply and close the Property Editor tab. The resistor temp parameter is now visible in the parameters list. Before time-varying temperatures will work in PSpice, we need to enable the time-varying temperature option. Select Place Text from the menu. In the Place Text window, enter the provided script to enable time-varying temperatures. Click OK and click to place the text in the canvas. Right-click and select End Mode. This will enable temperature variation with time in a single simulation run. We are now ready to create and run the simulation. Select PSpice New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the profile Temp Divider Trans and click Create. In the Simulation Settings window, set the run-to time to 1 millisecond. Leave the other settings as the defaults and click OK. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe on a VDiv net. Right-click and select End Mode. To run the simulation, select PSpice Run from the menu. View the simulation results. As the upper resistor of the divider heats up, its value increases and the output voltage decreases. Perform simulations with breakout models to model temperature variations in a single SPICE simulation and analyze the effect of temperature changes over time with PSpice. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.